Hello student, now the next topic is based on the standard reduction potential. There is a numerical based on SRP. SRP means standard reduction potential. So I have 5 and 6 numerical. Okay, this is based on the standard reduction potential. Okay, now the first question is what? The voltmeter reading of a given cell at standard condition. You know the standard condition: pressure is 1 atm, temperature is 298, and concentration is 1 molar. In standard form, always pressure 1 atm, temperature 298, and concentration 1 molar, means molarity is 2.36 volt. It means the value is what? 2.36 is E naught cell value. Now here is the cell representation. H2 platinum electrode is there on both the side. This is left hand side and this is the right hand side. So you know left hand side is negative and right hand side is positive. It means there is a anode and there is a cathode. So here the pressure is 1 atm, concentration same. Then find out the SRP of magnesium electrode. Okay, now it's very easy question. So voltmeter reading means voltmeter reading, and voltmeter reading is also known as what? E naught cell. E naught cell is what? Minus 2.36 volt. Okay, now the formula is what? You know the formula. E naught cell is equals to E naught reduction potential of cathode minus E naught reduction potential of anode. So you know reduction potential is what? Cathode is what? This. So you can also write E naught Mg 2 plus electrode Mg. This is a reduction form, and E naught H plus H2. This is a form of reduction. Confuse mat hona. Okay, now there is a value is what? 2.36 negative value, and you know the standard reduction potential of hydrogen is what? 0. So minus 2.36 is equals to E naught Mg 2 plus electrode Mg, and you know this value is 0. So what is the answer? So E naught Mg 2 plus electrode Mg is what? Minus 2.36 volt. Okay, so just check the electrochemical series. There is a value of standard reduction potential of magnesium is minus 2.36. Okay, now I have the next question. The next question is what? This. The question is what? If E naught of Ag plus 2Ag is 0.80 and the E naught of hydrogen is 0.00, you know very well, in a cell which will act as anode and cathode. Find out E naught cell. Okay, so you know very well. First you write down representation of the cell. Representation. So there is a you know the platinum electrode is there. Okay, so in the case of hydrogen gas, electrode H plus aqueous, yeah, and the same for, this is a standard for, okay, Ag plus aqueous and Ag solid. You know the in electrochemical series hydrogen position is first and then silver. So hydrogen show oxidation and silver show reduction, and this is what negative electrode and this is what positive electrode. So just you learned that. Okay, now in this case pressure is 1 atm and the concentration of both the ions is 1 molar. So this is a standard condition. So just you focus. Okay, now in this case, you know, E naught cell, the cathode is what? Ag plus electrode Ag and E naught H plus H2. You can also write E naught cathode minus E naught anode. This is cathode side and this is anode side. And the cathode value means, cathode means what? Silver. The value is given 0.80 plus, and anode is what? 0. The answer is plus 0.80 volt, and this is what value? E naught cell value. Okay, and now how to find key which ions show are formed in anode and which is cathode. So you know in very well, silver show reduction and hydrogen show oxidation. So at anode is negative, so H2 is converted to H plus, it means 2 plus 2 electron. There is a oxidation, half oxidation reaction, clear. And at cathode is a positive in galvanic cell, so there is a Ag plus, so you can also write 2Ag because of balance of electron, and this is half reduction reaction. So just you write the full reaction. NCR means net cell reaction, electron cancel, and H2, this is a reactant part, Ag plus, this is aqueous and hydrogen is gas, and gives 2H plus charge, and this is aqueous, and there is a 2Ag solid. एनोड पे कौन सा हो रहा है? एनोड पे कौन सा जाएगा? देखो हाइड्रोजन से H2, एनोड पे क्या जा रहा है? H प्लस आयन, एंड कैथोड पे क्या जा रहा है? देखो एनोड पे H प्लस आयन एंड कैथोड पे Ag. Clear student? Okay. Now I have another question. For a given cell, Ag solid to Ag and Cu to this, to find out E naught of the cell. तो देखो in this case यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है? देखो कैथोड एंड दिस इज व्हाट? एनोड. तो यहाँ से फोकस करना है आपको. तो you know very well E naught cell. You know very well E naught cell is equals to E naught cathode. Cathode means this side, and anode means this side. This is the left hand side part negative and this is the right hand side positive. And this value, copper value is what? Y. So cathode is Y and anode is what? X. So Y minus X. This is a simple numerical. E naught cell value is Y minus X. Suppose the value is given, so just you write down the value and subtract the values and find out the answer. Now the next question is what? The SRP value at 298 Kelvin for the following cells. देखो यहाँ पे बहुत सारी values given है, and you find out strong reducing agent and oxidizing agent. तो how to find? तो just you write down कि reducing agent means what? Oxidation. Reducing agent means what? Oxidation. तो ऑक्सीडेशन में हम SRP क्या देखते हैं? लो और हाई. SRP लो, यस. एंड ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट में ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट में हम क्या चेक करते हैं? रिडक्शन. इट मीन्स व्हाट? SRP हाई. यस. तो इसमें पूछा क्या है? फाइंड आउट द स्ट्रॉन्ग रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट एंड ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. अब देखो यहां पर सबसे बड़ी वैल्यू नेगेटिव की कौन सी है? -0.76. -0.76. तो इसका SRP क्या है? सबसे ज्यादा लो है. तो जिसका SRP सबसे ज्यादा लो होगा वो क्या होगा? स्ट्रॉन्ग रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. तो इसमें स्ट्रॉन्ग रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट कौन सा है? स्ट्रॉन्ग रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट कौन सा होगा? E0 Zn2 प्लस इलेक्ट्रोड Zn इज इक्वल्स टू -0.76 वोल्ट. और स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग क्या होगा? जिसका SRP क्या हो? हाई. यानी सबसे बड़ी वैल्यू प्लस की कौन सी है? ये वाली. तो आंसर इज व्हाट? E0 Fe3 प्लस इलेक्ट्रोड Fe plus 0.77 volt. Clear? Okay, student? Okay, now the last question. The SRP of three metals A, B and C. The values is given 0.50 volt, 3.00 volt and 1.20 volt. The reducing power, again this is reducing power means reducing agent which has high reducing agent. So again you write reducing agent means what? Reducing agent means reducing power. It means what? Oxidation. And oxidation में हम क्या चेक करते हैं? SRP is what? Low. तो सबसे लो SRP किसका है? 3 का. यानी 3 क्या है? B. Then कौन सा है? C. And then A. The option is what? Option is A. Clear? So there is a 5 question based on the SRP. So just write, practice with yourself. Okay, student. Thank you.